Hey ladies, welcome back to another ISEEHAIR wig install. Today I'll be showing you guys their M Cap Wear and Go 9x6 HD lace closure wig. This wig comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and it also comes pre-cut as well. I have this wig in 24 inches and in 180% density. Now there's a lot of advantages with this wig in itself. It is 100% glueless, so you do not need any glue nor any type of spray. It does have a very large lace area. It is a 9x6 HD lace closure. The wig cap in itself is designed to mimic your natural forehead contour. It also has a 3D cap design that allows your lace to lay super flat and snug along your natural hairline. It has an ear shape design, that way the wig cap is not laying on your ears. It's super comfortable. As I mentioned before, it does come pre-bleached, so it does have the tiny knots. It looks super natural, so you don't have to worry about bleaching the lace nor cutting the lace as well, because they took care of that for you in the plucking also. Lastly, it is 100% glueless, which I mentioned previously. It does come with the adjustable elastic band and the combs. However, the combs are removable. Now I know that was a lot of information, so to sum it all up, basically the wig cap is designed to just fit your natural head. It's supposed to mimic your natural head, and also it's supposed to be super comfortable, and not to mention that lace is very large for a closure, so you still have the versatility of doing different styles. However, you don't have to worry about a full lace frontal, which is ear to ear, and you have to glue and spray all that extra stuff. With this wig, you do not have to do that. So as you guys saw, the first thing I did was add some foundation onto the lace per usual. Even though this lace is HD, it comes pre-bleached with the tiny knots. It's very important that you have the lace match your natural skin color as best as possible, because that's what's really going to help it blend in. Lace is a texture, so that's why the color of it is super important. So after I got all of the hair away from the lace, I just went ahead and added a little bit more foundation wherever I needed it. So here is a close-up of that lace. I'm going to get close to the camera in just a bit. Here we go. As you guys can see, the lace is looking extremely natural, and once again, you guys, it is a 9x6, so it low-key mimics a frontal. However, it's not a frontal. You don't have to deal with that hassle of a frontal, so we love that. And also the parting is very deep as well, because it goes 6 inches back. Now this is a silky straight texture. I have it in 24 inches, so she's pretty long on me because I'm only 5'2". It is 180% density. However, because it's a very silky straight to the touch, it feels a little thinner because the hair strands are a little thinner, so just keep that in mind, okay? So as far as styling, I decided to go with a deep side part just to kind of show you guys how deep the lace can go. I believe I was able to go a little bit further than this, but I kind of stopped where the beginning of my eyebrow started. But anyways, I went ahead and I used my wax stick and my hot comb just to hold that part in place, and then I added a lighter foundation to kind of give that scalp effect. I accidentally got some makeup on the hair, so I'm just going in with this small mascara wand just to kind of touch up that area, because I don't want it to look messy. Now you guys know I love me some layers, and I didn't want to keep this hairstyle too simple, so I decided to go ahead and cut me some layers. That way it kind of frames my face a lot better, and it just looks really pretty. I've been seeing this style a lot lately, so I decided to give it a try. So now I'm just going back in with my hot comb just to make sure everything is laying super flat, and also touch up some of the areas, because since I was cutting the layers, I kind of messed it up a little bit. So I just wanted it to look really neat. Now I'm just going to touch up the rest of the hair. So we're going to go in with my flat iron, and I'm just going to flat iron some of the hair. I also decided to add a bump on the ends, especially towards the front of my face where the layers are. You guys will kind of see how it all comes together. Okay, so here is the difference with the bump ends versus the unbumped ends, so you guys kind of see where I'm headed. Okay, so I just continued to do this until I was happy with it. But let's talk about the hair quality. As I mentioned earlier, the hair quality was really nice because the texture of it is a very silky, straight texture. Therefore, it's pretty easy to work with. The shedding is pretty minimal. I did not have issues with tangling. We did take this wig straight out the box and I immediately threw her on, so I did not have any issues with smelling, by the way, because I definitely would have told you guys if I did. The wig did not smell, and as you guys see, that lace is of top-notch quality as well. She looks extremely natural. The wig cap laid super flat. It was very comfortable around my ears. So altogether, I did not have any issues with it. Comment down below, let me know what you guys are thinking about this final style. I think it's really cute, by the way, and I also feel like it's very easy to achieve as well. I don't think the styling is too hard. I know everybody's not good at cutting layers, but just think about cutting downwards in a diagonal motion and you're good to go, and just do a little bit at a time. That's pretty much how I learned. But like I said earlier, I was happy with the wig unit. I think she looks very pretty and that hairline looks super natural. The lace was very thin, and those are qualities that I prioritize during these wig installs, so I was happy with it. Make sure you guys check out my description box down below. Everything will be listed there. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time.